Hi guys and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video we're gonna talk about how you can log in to your account on WordPress basically. So usually if you're logged out of your account or your admin basically on localhost from WordPress, you would not likely find the login button. It's probably very complicated for you, but I'm gonna make it work. So the first thing you're gonna do and the first thing you're gonna see is of course your page. But when you click on localhost WordPress, it's just gonna like show you your page, but it's not gonna show you the login button or the login admin basically. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna type localhost WordPress and then WP admin and just click enter. After you type that, it's gonna take you to this page right here where you can just log into your WordPress account. And after you log in, it's gonna take you to the classic dashboard where you can edit your website or do whatever you like. So thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. I hope I guys see you in the next video. Bye.